Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's May 19th, 2025. I'm over in the lower workshop today. So one of the things I want to try and do today, it actually has stopped raining. And we're supposed to have today and tomorrow without rain. So that'd be good. This whole week looks like it's going to be about 50 degrees Fahrenheit is going to be the high. And we might have close to a frost coming up too. But that remains to be seen yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on, well, trying to clean up, package up some stuff from in this corner here, maybe my rolling table here, get some of this stuff out. I'd love to get some of the chillers out, just try to make some more headway here. Then I'll start working on on the top of my toolboxes where everything's just basically gotten piled and all. So those are my thoughts. Thank God I've got these blue totes that we picked up yesterday. Again, thank you, Todd. And yes, these are the new ones, Todd. Oh, Lord. So anyways, I think that's what I'm going to do. So we'll see how everything works out. We'll keep our fingers crossed that this is somewhat entertaining as I try to salvage more stuff that was in the collapse. So here we go.
I don't kneel in a steeple, don't quote every prayer, but I find peace and wonder in the forest air. When the sun cuts through the maples, light and moss like gold, I feel something holy, ancient and bold. I see God in the trees, and the hawk on the wind, in the river that sings where the willows bend. Don't need a sermon or a preacher's plan, the wild's where I feel the touch of his hand. No stained glass windows, just the sky above, in the silence of nature I feel the love. A doe in the thicket, a crow's mournful cry, the hush of the snowfall, the stars in the sky, the work of my hands in the soil and the sea. Feels like I'm part of something greater indeed. I see God in the trees, and the hawk on the wind, in the river that sings where the willows bend. Don't need a sermon or a preacher's plan, the wild's where I feel the touch of his hand. No stained glass windows, just the sky above, in the silence of nature I feel the love. Some find faith in books or chance, I find mine in the dance of ants, in thunder rolling across the ridge, in the strength of roots beneath the bridge. I see God in the trees, in each breath I take, in the rhythm of the earth, in the calm of the lake. Don't need a temple to fall to my knees, just the whisper of wind through the autumn leaves. He's not just above, he's right here with me, in every leaf, every stone, every tree. Success ain't just a dollar sign, it's waking up with a purpose in mind. It's falling down but standing tall, it's writing dreams on your workshop wall. Clear your path with goals you set, stay true, stay sharp, don't live with regret. Lay each brick with your own hand, step by step, that's how you stand. It's grit, it's grace, it's growth in stride. It's long nights, pushing with fire inside. It's not just luck, it's earned each day, with heart and hustle lighting the way. Success is more than gold or fame. It's building a life that honors your name. A work ethic forged in morning light, with tired hands that still hold tight through setbacks, storms, and shattered plans. You learn to fight and understand. Resilience is the song you hum when every voice tells you you're done, but you move forward, eyes ahead. Dreams don't grow where fear is fed. It's grit, it's grace, it's growth in stride. It's long nights, pushing with fire inside. It's not just luck, it's earned each day, with heart and hustle lighting the way. Success is more than gold or fame. It's building a life that honors your name. Learn to grow where you've been burned. Turn the lessons into what you've earned. The climb is tough, the air gets thin, but only the brave get to win. So bring your heart, your hands, your soul. Success is reaching more than one goal. It's love, it's faith, it's standing true. It's being proud of all you do. It's not the end, but how you rise that makes your story touch the skies. Started down low, eyes on the rise. Dreams stacked high like mountains in the skies. Some chase the peak, forgetting the view, but I found the truth in the climb I pursue. It's not just glory perched at the top. It's every tough mile when you don't wanna stop. It's the climb that makes you, not the place you stand. The fire you carry when there's no helping hand. The grit in your heart when you're beat and bruised. The lessons and losses and the battles you choose. It's the climb that makes you, yeah, the scars and the fight. More than the medal, it's getting up every night. Some days it's rain, some days it's stone. You're pushing uphill and feeling alone. The calloused hands tell a warrior's tale of every breakdown where you still didn't bail. Not a single moment defines who you are. It's choosing the journey no matter how far. It's the climb that makes you, not the place you stand. The fire you carry when there's no helping hand. The grit in your heart when you're beat and bruised. The lessons and losses and the battles you choose. It's the climb that makes you, yeah, the scars and the fight. More than the medal, it's getting up every night. Footstep, your soul takes shape, not from the prize, but from the escapes, from doubt, from fear, from settling down, from quitting the climb when you're weary and worn out. Keep going, breathe deep, lean into the burn. There's meaning in every twist and turn. It's the climb that makes you, not the place you stand. The faith you hold when there's no perfect plan. The voices that lift you when your knees give out. The strength that grows when you're full of doubt. It's the climb that makes I remember vinyl spinning slow back when love songs ruled the radio. Tie-dye shirts and peace signs proud, laughter echo in a crowd. We had soul, we had style, lived like rebels, free and wild. When the world moved in groovy time, and every dream felt so divine. Oh, I miss long hair blowing in the breeze, bell bottoms dancing through the autumn leaves. Back when freedom had a melody, and we all believed in harmony. Life was loud in the best kind of way, under concert lights and sunlit days, yeah. I miss the 70s and everything they meant to me. Riding our bicycles on sidewalks bare, we found truth in music everywhere. Mixtapes played our hearts out loud, no filters, just real and proud. We had our flaws, sure we fell, but we got back up and lived to tell lessons learned in simpler ways. Rock and roll soundtrack all our days. Oh, I miss long hair blowing in the breeze, bell bottoms dancing through the autumn leaves. Back when freedom had a melody, and we all believed in harmony. Life was loud in the best kind of way, under concert lights and sunlit days, yeah. I miss the 70s and everything they meant to me. Now the world keeps spinning fast, and the magic feels like it couldn't last. But I hold those memories tight, painted in the lava lamp light. Oh, I miss long hair blowing in the breeze, bell bottoms dancing through the autumn leaves. When the world felt soft and we felt free, in a denim wrapped daydream melody. It's more than just nostalgia, it's part of me. I miss the 70s. Na da 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 da. Looking back through the years gone by, old photographs, memories that don't lie. Children once played beneath open skies, now hunched over screens with vacant eyes. The health declining day by day, while we just look the other way. We need to wake up, take a stand, rebuild the heart of this promised land. Turn off the noise, speak face to face, rediscover our common grace. America's reflection isn't set in stone. Time to remember we're not alone. Media spinning tales half true, choosing sides on what to pursue. Social networks trap us in tribes, echo chambers where truth subsides. Our kids growing weaker in body and mind, while genuine connections hard to find. We need to wake up, take a stand, rebuild the heart of this promised land. Turn off the noise, speak face to face, rediscover our common grace. America's reflection isn't set in stone. Time to remember we're not alone. It starts with us in our homes, teaching values, putting down phones, moving our bodies, sharing a meal, having conversations that help us heal. Listen to others with different views, finding common ground in what we choose. So let's wake up, take that stand, rebuild the heart of this promised land. Turn off the noise, speak face to face, rediscover our common grace. America's reflection we can still renew. if we remember what's truly true.
Well, things went pretty well today. Got quite a few loads out back, and I really do like these blue bins here. Maybe I should go back and get another pallet load. I think there's 56 in this pallet, 4 rows of 14. So they work out really well. I can keep them from getting overloaded, and they're stackable. So that works out pretty well. And I like that the top, and Thea really likes the top, that the top is actually attached to it, so you don't have to go and find the tops. I got a lot of stuff out of this corner, medical supplies, all of that stuff. Got this area here cleaned up better as well, and over in here. Got some of the things out of here, making headway. So progress is being made. It's just very slow, never as fast, and I'm sore. But 2 shipping containers are pretty much full. We have to leave some room for when Kelsey needs to go through all the bins and everything back there. I wish I had these bins before when we packed up the initial bins. But anyways, it worked out. So it's looking much better, much less congested. Tomorrow's another day, and I'll go back at it tomorrow, and fingers crossed things will work out. Anyways, so that's it for today's video. If you have any comments or questions, leave them below. And I think that's about it. I hope you take care and stay safe. Bye-bye now.